Alright, Karen, here's your 124 scale Ford Expedition. As you realize, it's been repainted. It's white. Well, obviously it's white. It wasn't white before, but anyway, it's white now. Decals is the Virginia Capitol Police unit, as the pictures you sent. We just didn't have the best pictures to go by, but you provided what you had and went with what we had. And online research was able to get me, I guess, a little closer to what we needed to have to make the decals properly. So, but anyway, they are completed and obviously on there. These mirrors, when you get the truck, those mirrors they're going to be folded in, but they just fold right back out. They will move. So I think it's because of the box. When you put it in the box, the mirrors touch the sides, so they made it where they would fold in, so they wouldn't break off completely. After I got the car back from the paint, I went ahead and did all the other little detailing to it, the black molding on the side. Like I said, again, going from the pictures that you sent. Tried to make it look the best I could. Black window trim around, bumper cover and everything on the back. Again, tried to make it look as closely match the pictures I could. The antennas, they're sitting on there crooked. I thought they were dry when I let go of them, but they're not. So, but those have to come off anyway from the box. They just pull right off. Once you get it, you can glue those back on. Again, those I saw those in the picture. They weren't leaning like that, but here, maybe if we set the car like that, they look straight. Anyway, you can add those when it arrives. Pretty basic on this one. You were trying to stay within a budget, and I can appreciate that. So that's what we ended up doing. Actually, I went above what I told you it was going to be, but since we agreed on the price, that's what it's going to be. So, but that's not a problem. Of course, you saw the front doors open. The rear hatch opens as well, which is where the battery's at. You see it sitting back in the back, so it's easy enough to change. Everything else identical to the new one. Straight out of the box, so it opens. The switch for this one is located here on the bottom, in the middle of the spare tire. Just turn that on. Again, lighting is fairly basic. Of course, these cars may have been pretty basic. Because it's a 2000. So, anyway, flashing headlights that we discussed. Blue strobe light bar. I noticed on the instructions I said red and blue. Looking at the pictures and knowing Virginia, I realized that it was all blue, so I had to go back. I'm glad I didn't screw that up and build it red and blue, because I'd have been mad to have to go back and fix that, since that's the first thing that you do to one, pretty much, install and everything. And again, flashing taillights on this one. And that's it. Like I said, I think mainly just a nice decal model is what you were looking for. Like I said, we worked the lights into the budget and got it looking as close as we could to the pictures. So there you go. I'm sure it'll be a nice gift for your hubby. I'm sure he'll appreciate that. Alright, again, appreciate it. Thank you very much.